Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Z60 Ultra and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open Settings application where we choose Mobile Network. Now Mobile Data, and there we scroll down and set Data Warming and Limit, and we can set our mobile data limits. First we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. There by the switch we can turn on and turn off data warming, and we can set in custom number in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need and prefer. To confirm all, we press set, and now we can turn on by the switch data limits, confirm by OK, and we can set it in the same style as warming. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!